That's a really nice position. Keep your elbows bent. You're sitting nicely upright, and that's how we want to sit while he's cantering too. Follow it. Sit back and follow. Follow, 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 follow. Yes, and then trot whenever you want to by posting and holding your hands together. Don't push down, just hold them and post. That's right. When you push down with your hands, then he pushes up. You want to just keep a nice steady contact with your hands and start posting, rising. So this time, don't canter till the corner between C and H. So we're changing it a little bit. And then come on a circle here at the E. And we're still going to work on the following. Sit back and put your hands forward and follow. Follow with your hands forward. That's right, that's right, that's coming. And then on the circle, hold your hands steady, not pulling back, and trot. Posting. Good, good. And sit down and walk, and then you follow again. Your hands follow every time he's walking or cantering, and they stay still when he's trotting. Your body has to stay upright over the saddle all the time. That's why your hands and arms have to move differently, so your body doesn't get pulled forward. It stays upright in the saddle. Okay.